Hello, my little listeners. Just last night, I was feeling a little bit down, thinking of just stopping and never posting again. But then I see I have a notification on YouTube, and it's an amazing person that's been in my comments for so long. They are genuinely so kind, and I'm so thankful to even have the honor to be able to talk to them at random times. They go by Freakler or Kato, as I've seen. And it was just, I wanted to thank you so much for putting my channel out there immediately after you posted that video. I got like 15 new subs. And I'm genuinely so thankful to have you as part of my community. You have been amazing for the God knows how long. And just thank you so much for being this amazing and awesome person. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. All right, now stay safe and hydrated, everybody.